order to schedule a ride with Lyft, you want to search or type in your destination. And make sure you are selecting a Lyft ride, not a shared ride. After confirming your method of payment, you want to hit schedule. And with Lyft, you can schedule a ride up to 7 days ahead of time. When you schedule a ride, you must specify a pickup time frame, and a driver will arrive in the pickup window you choose. So I'm going to do Saturday, May 18th at 8:30 a.m. And as you can see, it says that a driver will be there to pick me up between 8:30 and 4:30 a.m. I'm going to hit set pickup time. After confirming that all of the information is correct, I'm going to hit schedule. All right, now your ride is scheduled. With Lyft, you can cancel a scheduled ride at any time, but the normal Lyft cancellation fee policies apply if you cancel the ride after a driver has been matched, the driver is on their way to pick you up, and the driver is scheduled to arrive within the designated pickup window. To schedule a ride with Uber, you're going to tap the car and clock icon in the upper right hand corner. Set your pickup date and time. I'm going to do Saturday, May 18th at 8:30 a.m. and hit continue. Now you want to select your pickup location and your destination. After that, you just want to confirm the details and make sure that your method of payment is correct and hit schedule Uber X. All right, now that your ride is set, you're going to hit continue. Now, on this screen, you're going to see a cancel ride button. With Uber, you are allowed to cancel up to 5 minutes after your scheduled ride is on the way without a cancellation fee. Canceling your ride after 5 minutes will result in the standard cancellation fee. I hope this helped you all. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. And thank you for watching the video.